Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Thank you very much for all the subscribers and viewers. Today I would like to talk about a famous bridge which took 13 long years to construct it. And the name of that bridge is Brooklyn Bridge from New York City, United States of America. New York City is a very popular city in USA where it consists of 5 boroughs: the Manhattan, the Bronx, Queens, Brooklyn and the Staten Island. There was no connectivity between the New York City and these boroughs before 1870, and you have to sail over East River to visit these boroughs. So Mr. John Roebling decided to construct a bridge between New York City and a Long Island, Manhattan and Brooklyn. And he proposed this idea in front of experts, and all the experts told him that it would be impossible to construct a bridge between New York City and a Long Island. But he had a strong thought that he can definitely construct a bridge between New York City and this Long Island. He told this idea to his son. His name is Washington Roebling. His father told, "My dear son, I would like to construct a bridge between New York City and a Long Island. Would you like to work with me?" He said, "Yes, I'm so excited to work with you, my dad. I'm ready." John Roebling designed all the drawings. He completed the technical part to start the construction. But in 1869, John Roebling met with an accident and lost his life. And it is all up to his son right now. So Washington Roebling thought, "My father told me to construct this bridge and he is no more now. Let me start constructing this. Let me finish this one." He thought like that and started constructing it. And he started the construction in 1870. It went on fine for 1 year. But in 1871, a huge accident happened and many people lost their lives. Even Washington Roebling got severely injured. His whole body got paralyzed. Half of his brain was not functioning and he can't able to walk. He can't move. He can't speak. His whole body was not functioning. He can able to move only one of his finger. Is it really possible for him to construct a bridge at this condition? Absolutely not. But he had done that because of his great dedication. He started identifying the strengths of him. He thought, okay, I can able to move one of my finger, because as I told, half of his brain was not functioning, but half of it is functioning. So he decided to develop a communication with that one finger. As I told, he can't speak, he can't walk. So he called his wife and he started tapping that one finger on her palm. And he started developing a communication. Slowly, he started developing a communication. Suppose if he want to have water, he'll tap his finger once on her arm. If he want to have food, he'll tap the finger twice on her arm. So slowly he developed a communication. And it was very difficult for his wife to understand these messages initially. But over a period of time, she got used to that and she started understanding that. Her name is Emily Roebling. After 1 year, she was little comfortable with this kind of communication. Then Washington Roebling thought, let me teach her engineering drawings with this one finger. It's very time-consuming process. It is very difficult for her too. Don't you think so? Because he can't speak. He started teaching her in this way by tapping his finger on her palm. And she should decode all those messages and she should communicate that with the engineering team. That's why it took 13 long years to construct this Brooklyn Bridge, and it started in 1870 and finished in 1883. It all happened because of 3 great people: John Roebling, Washington Roebling, and last but not the least, we should not and never forget the efforts of Emily Roebling. My dear friends, just think about a disabled person like Washington Roebling, whose body is completely not functioning. Half of his brain was not functioning. And if he can do that much, think about ourselves. Our body is perfectly fine. We have everything in place. So how much we can do? Thank you very much for watching. I wish you all a happy and safe Diwali. Thanks a lot.